Hello students, in our previous class we already learned lesson number 18, our home earth. Now today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 19, days, months and years. In these lessons we are going to learn about the time, how it is counted, about the days, days of weeks, months of the year, how many days are there in the year. That all things we are going to learn it. Now let's begin our lessons. There is given a small exercise. In first picture it shows a cake. Second picture children are playing. Third pictures there is a Christmas tree and two children are decorating it. Now see our first question. When is your birthday? Here you have to write your date of birth. Here I am going to write my date of birth. 29th February. Students, here you have to write your own date of birth. Okay. Now see the next questions. On which day or days of a week do you have your game period in a schools? So in a schools we get our school timetables, so it shows that when we have a PT periods. So in a day or which day or which days we get a PT periods, that you have to write it. Here you have to write the day's name. Just example, Tuesday and Friday. You have to write according to your own timetable. Next, on which day is Christmas celebrated? We know that Christmas is celebrated on particular date. When we are celebrated Christmas? On 25th December. So right here 25th December. Okay. So in this all questions it shows that there is given a particular date or particular day's timing. Now students, I am going to read the lessons. You have to speak along with me. Every day we do different activity at the same time. We go to school in the morning, we eat lunch in the afternoon and we go to bed at night. So at the beginning what I tell? We are doing some activity daily on perfect timing. Like examples, we are going to school in the mornings, we eat a lunch in the afternoon, we go to bed at night. So this activity we are doing daily, and it is daily we are doing on particular time period. So now we will start our first point, time. Time can be measured in the terms of hours, minutes and seconds. We know that when we listen the word time, so when pictures come in our mind, clock. We know that most probably our works we are doing according to the clock timing. So clock show our timings. So time are measuring in the terms of hours, minutes and second. We know that it's depend on the hours, minute and second. A watch or a clock tell us the time. So who tell us the time? Watch or clock. It mostly have two hands. So mostly clock have how many hands? Two hands. The short hand of a clock shows hour. So this short hand show us the hour. A long hand shows minutes. So this long hand show us the minutes. Sometime one more hand call, the second hand is also present. So sometime a third hand which is also present in a clock. It shows the second. It moves one space every second. So the second hand will always move one step to show every second. So I know that everyone know how to see the time, how to use of the clock time. So now see our next point. We already learned about times. Let's revise it. In a clocks, a short hand present and hours, and a long hand presents minutes. So sometimes there is one more hand, it shows the second. So between two numbers there are difference of 5 minutes. So we have to count the numbers with the 5. So we get exactly perfect minutes. Okay. Now see, there is given a small activity. Write the time shows by the clock. So here there is given 3 clocks. They shows the different timing. So we have to write the perfect time for it. First is given minutes hand. So here we have to write the minutes. Next is hours hand. So here we have to write the hours. Now see our first clock. It stand, both hand are stand near to the 6. So minutes hands. We have to count how many minutes are there. Between 5. So there is 5 minutes difference between two numbers. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So write here 30 minutes. Then hours, it stand on the 6. So how many hours? 6 hours. Next, it stands on a 12. So 12 is a 60. So 60 minutes. Then hours, it stands on 11. So 11 hours. Next, it stands near to 3. So 3 is a 15 minutes. Hours, it stands on 8. So 8 hours. So students, I hope you learn to how to count the timing on the clock. Now see our next point. What is a day? The earth spins round and round like a top. So our earth is spinning like the top, round and round. The times taken by earth to spin around once on its axis with respect to the sun is called a day. So when our earth is spinning around the sun once on her own axis is called a day. So how day is counting? A day is counting when earth is moving around the sun on her own axis at once. One time our earth is moving around the sun, it's called, when our earth completed full round around the sun, it's called a day. Next, days of a week. Days of a week. There are 7 days in a week. So we know that in a week how many days are there? 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Students, you have to by heart the names of a day, weeks of a day. Okay, with their spelling. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So how many days are there in a week? 7 days. This all days comes in a sequence. Okay. Now see a small activity. Which days come before Saturday? So before Saturday, which day came? Friday. So write here Friday. Friday. Next, the day that come after Tuesday. After Tuesday, which day came? Wednesday. So write here Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. So students, I hope you understand the days of a week. Now see our next point. Learning of time and days. Now we are going to learn about a year. What is a year? The earth also moves around the sun. The time taken by the earth to move around the sun once on a fixed part is called 1 year. So we know that earth is moving around the sun. So the time taken by earth, when earth is moving around the sun, the time she takes to move it's called a year. So when our earth is moving around the sun, it's to take a 1 year time. For a day, when earth is moving, which part come? When she started her path from one place to come on the same path, it's called a day. Okay. Numbers of day in a year. So there are how many days in a year? The earth take 365 days and 6 hours to go around the sun. So when our earth is moving around the sun, how much time she need? 365 days and 6 hours. Therefore a year has 365 full days. So how much time she needs to moving around the sun? 365 days. A year with 366 days is called a leap year. So when a year have totally 366 days, it's called a leap year. So 1 day increasing in the year. So it comes after every 4 years. So every 4 years there is come a leap year. So on leap year, earth needs to move around the sun 366 days. Now see our next points. Months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in 1 year. These are: the 7th month shows in a red colors have 31 days. So here given the names of the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Students, you have to by heart this month's name. So what is the 7 months which are colored red? They have 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October and December have how many days? 31 days. And the 4 months shows in a blue have 30 days. And which months are shows with the blue? They have 30 days. Like example, April, June, September and November have 30 days. Only February have 28 days. So February have a less days, 28 days. If it is a leap year, then February have 29 days. So students, I hope you understand the lessons. Now see a small exercise. Which year is this? It is which year? 2021. What is the month? Which month is going on? It is March month. So write here March. What days it is? Here you have to write which day it is. Today is, just example, today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Now students, I hope you understand the lessons. For understanding it more perfectly, let's see a small video. We already learned lesson number 19, days, month and year. Let's revise it whatever we learned. It shows a calendar of which year 2021. There is given months names and also given a days names. So we are going to learn about days, month and the year. How we calculate days, month and year. Time. First point is time. Time is measures in terms of hours, minutes and seconds. A watch or clock tell us about the times. Mostly clock have two hands. One short hands shown and a hours, and the long hand shows us the minutes. There is 5 minute distance between two numbers. Then one more hand it shows, it presents of space of seconds. It moves one space every second. So students, I hope you understand the time. You learn it how to calculate the time. Now see our next point. What is a day? Where Earth spins around on her own axis, it's called a day. So when this Earth is moving her own axis, so which part of Earth came first in front of Sun? From that place she is moving, and when it reach on the same place, it's counted as a day. So for a day it's take 24 hours. This way we will count a day. Next is days of weeks. We know that there are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These all days comes in a sequence. Now see our next point. What is a year? When our Earth is moving around the Sun on one fixed part, it's called a year. So Sun is in the middle and our Earth is moving around the Sun. She take a full round of it. So she needs how many time? 1 year. Next is numbers of day in a year. So when Earth is moving around the Sun, she needs 365 days and 6 hours. So it's totally take 365 full days. So it became a year. When Earth is taking one more days to around the Sun, it's become 360 days. So that year become a leap year. Leap year come after every 4 years. Next point is months in a year. There are totally 12 months in the year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. 7 months have 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days. And 4 months have 30 days. Which month are there? April, June, September and November. Only February have less days. February have 28 days. So students, I hope you understand the lessons. Thank you.